Good day, guys, and welcome back. So we're having this problem now. So as you can see, we're having two triangles there. We're having actually three triangles because we're having this triangle, we're having this triangle, and we're also having the bigger triangle. Can you see that? So there are three triangles. So we're having triangle LKJ, we're having triangle LJI, and we're also having LKI. Can you see that? Yes. So they said we must show that H is equals to that situation that you're having there, right? So most of the times I always advise that if you're trying to prove this side that is falling in this triangle, so it means that we must start our proof from the other triangle, right? So let's start our proof from the other triangle, and then we can see the link between these, right? So obviously, if we want to prove this in this triangle, so our link should be this line. So this line should be our link. So let's find, or this line is the common line. So let's find the length of this line using this other triangle, right? So we can start by trying to use the sine rule, right? So we know that the sine rule says sine A over A is equals to sine B over B, right? So let's try to find things that you can use in this triangle. So we're having this angle that is opposite to this side. Cool. That's a pair. So also we need D in this triangle. So it means that D, it is this line, and this line, it is opposite to this angle. And now we don't have this angle yet, but we can still find this angle, right? If you can check in triangle KLJ, so in triangle KL, so not KLJ, in triangle LJI, in triangle LJI, this triangle, right? We can see that this angle here plus this angle should actually give me this angle, because this is the exterior angle of a triangle, and the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the opposite interior, right? If you don't know that, guys, please go and check your Euclidean geometry, guys, because this is about Euclidean geometry, guys. So let's see. So we can say our J, which this angle, which is Y, right? So we can say our Y is equals to our angle X plus our angle L, the one we are trying to find, right? So now it means that we can take this side, so Y minus X will be equals to our angle L. So the reason here was exterior angle of a triangle equals to sum of opposite interior angles. So it means that this angle, now we are having it is saying Y minus X. So it means that now we can proceed with this question, right? So now it means that our LJ, so this line over sine of X should be equals to D over sine of Y minus X. Can you see that? So now we can make LJ subject to the formula, because this is the link that we want, right? Should be equals to D multiplied by sine of X all over sine of Y minus X. So this is the value of LJ. So we can write that down so that we can use it, right? So we found that this LJ, it is equals to D multiplied by sine of X all over sine of Y minus X, like that, right? So it means that now we can proceed to that other triangle now. So now in triangle LKJ, in triangle LKJ, we can see that this is a right angled triangle. Now this is a right angled triangle, so sine of this angle is equal to opposite over the hypotenuse, which is LJ, the one that we just found there, right? So it means that we can say now sine of y is equal to opposite, which is h, over the hypotenuse, which is LJ, right? So it means that now our h becomes sine y multiplied by LJ, right? But LJ is equals to this, so this is equals to LJ, so we can substitute that. So it means that our h now becomes sine of y multiplied by d sine x over sine y minus x, like that. So multiplying everything out now, it means that our h now becomes d sine x multiplied by sine y, right, all over sine y minus x. So this is the same as that. Can you see that? So that's how we can prove that. So from then now, let's move to the second part of the question, that is saying calculate the value of h, right? So let's get to it. Okay, so let's see. They gave us that d is equal to 70 meters, x is equal to 12 degrees, and y is equal to 30 degrees. So it means that we can substitute, right? So it means that our h becomes now, what is the value of d? This is 70 multiplied by, and then x is 12, so sine 12, and then y is equal to 30, so this is sine of 30 all over sine of 30 minus 12. So it means that now we can punch all this in the calculator and get the answer, right? Yes. So after punching everything in the calculator, you can get 23.5485, which is just 23.55 meters. So it means that h is equal to 23.55 meters, like that. So guys, if you've enjoyed this, please like, comment, subscribe, and also share with your mates, guys. If you're having a problem, again, you can send us an email on this email address that I'll provide. Thank you, guys. See you on the next one.